Okay, beater box just came in. This box is $1,175, and I can tell you guys right now, it is heavy. It feels like there's maybe 10 shoes in here. That last video was crazy, so hopefully we can continue this wave of good fortune in the beater boxes. Stay tuned, this one is coming up next.
I can't seem to get you off my mind. Let's get loud. Let's get loud.
Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untitled Hawaii here, coming at you once again with your favorite series, this beater box series. If you guys are new to the channel and have no idea, zero idea what a beater box is, it is essentially a mystery box of sneakers. So the sneakers can come in new or used conditions, different sizes. You don't get to choose. It's all a mystery the whole way through. These boxes are sold through Supremacy.com. They are a shop out in California that specializes in selling shoes, hype beast stuff. There's a lot of stuff on their website. Check it out, link in the description below. Anyway, this box is $1,175 and I am excited about it because that last video we got a lot of good stuff. We got the Air Yeezy 1s Zen Grays, which it sounds like you guys want me to keep it, but I'm still freaking out about that sole just popping while I'm walking in it, man. Yeah, I don't know. I'm still on the fence about it. We'll see. I'm hoping that we get something crazy like that in this box as well, though. But like I was saying, it's super heavy. From past experience, it feels like there's going to be a lot of shoes. Maybe not one super good shoe, but a lot of like decently good value shoes, if that makes sense. I don't know, it sounds like it makes sense to me. We haven't done a giveaway in a while, so I'm not sure what to give away just yet, but if we get 2,500 likes on this video, I'll definitely give something away. So make sure you guys hit that like button below. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you guys have not already. But with that being said, let us open this box, man. $1,175. Trusty Supreme knife. Let's get into it. Box is opened up. Let's see what we got. All right, so it looks like I was correct in this one, man. You guys want to take a peek? That is what it looks like on the top, man. I know you guys don't get an aerial shot of the shoes very often, so yeah, that's what it looks like. All right, so starting off the box, you guys saw the shoe without a box probably already. This one is a pair of the Legend Blue Jordan 11s, and this condition is really, really nice, to be honest. You guys can see over here, there is basically no creasing over the toe box. Back looks really, really clean. And overall, the shoe just looks like it's not in bad condition at all. I mean, if it's a white shoe, you would expect a lot of damage on it, but nope, not really. Bottoms are dirtied up, but other than that, shoe looks great. 8.5, so that's an awesome size too. So we'll see how much of these go for. I have no idea how much it is until the end of the video, but you guys can see everything on the counter over here. Those prices on screen are currently where these shoes are selling for, like on eBay, StockX, things like that. So yeah, keep an eye on this. We'll see how much money we make at the end. Next shoe out, we got a size 10 Jordan 4. What do we got here? Oh man, that's okay, right on. So we got a pair of the Jordan 4 white cements, and these are actually a really, really nice pair. What the are these dead stock? This can't be a dead stock pair of Jordan 4. No, okay. So there's some Socklin in here, but if you look at those bottoms, that's what I mean about it potentially being dead stock. So it's super clean. As you guys can see over here, there is like no creasing over the toe box either. So it is maybe a tried on pair, but as you can tell, there's some Socklin in here. So yeah, that's not gonna fly for dead stock shoes. But yeah, overall, white cements usually have a good resale value. It is one of the most popular Jordan 4 models, and I mean, yeah, you can tell why. It's a very clean look. So like this one a lot. Size 10 white cements. All right, so next shoe out, we got a Jordan 10 in a size 5Y. Ooh, another good shoe, man. This is the Jordan 11 Bred Low. Okay, so we're rolling. Like I said, we're getting a lot of good. It's not super, super hyped, but at the same time, it's a great shoe, man. So size 5Y. You guys can see over here, Jordan 11 Bred Low. Not too much damage, a little bit of creasing right there. Bottom slightly dirtied, but other than that, it looks super, super clean, man. Another good pickup. I know that there's always great value on Jordan 11s. I mean, other than the ones, I would say that Jordan 11s sell like the best on the entire market. So it's a good pickup. And we got 2 of them. So we are doing well so far, man. I mean, maybe we did keep the ball rolling from that last box because I am pretty hyped over this so far. Okay, so you guys already saw the Yeezy 350. I'm not gonna mess around and pretend like there's nothing in here. This one though is a size 9, and it looks like we got a pair of the Yeezy Zebras. So if you guys don't know, the Zebras are actually restocking pretty soon, so that's probably why Soul Supremacy is trying to get rid of the zebras when they can. Because if you guys have been following Adidas, they're trying to do restocks and they're trying to make Yeezys available for everyone. So because of that, I have no idea what the stock is going to be on the zebras, but if it's anywhere like the creams, there's going to be a lot. So sell your zebras when you guys can. But as for this pair, it is used, bottoms slightly dirtied up, but the uppers completely clean, and it is one of the classic Yeezy 350 colorways. So these will be up on the web store, so check it out, link in the description below. So far we got 4 shoes and it looks like all of them are super solid. So I'm not sure what else we got in here, but I already know we're on the right path to make a lot of money on this box. Next shoe out, we got this looks like a Foamposite box. Yep, Foamposite size 11. Oh, okay. I'm not sure if this is called like neon pink or something like that, but it is a pink colorway for the Foamposites. And I mean, I'm pretty certain that they have good resale value on them, and especially in this condition, guys. And I'm pretty sure this one has really, really solid resale value up here. So we are definitely rolling through this box. I'm super excited. Like 1,175. Typically the 1,000 range doesn't do us too well, but I mean, it's turning up right now. It's turning up. 3 shoes left. This box is kind of heavy. This one is a size 14, Jordan 14. Oof, I have no idea, guys. No idea what this is. I'm not even gonna guess. Should I even guess? I think it's like a wolf gray model or something like that. Very, very gray. Cool gray or wolf gray, one of those. These could potentially be dead stock if you guys want to look over here. The bottoms look very, very clean, and no creasing over the toe box, and it just feels very solid and overall not used. So these could be dead stock, and if they are, that is another solid pickup, guys. 14 though, that's probably why this box is so heavy. This one is another size 14. Okay, so this one is a Jordan 7. Oh, okay, so what is this, man? I think it's Miami Nights, Barcelona Nights. Dude, I get confused with my 7s, but this one also looks like it is in dead stock condition. So what the heck is going on? I don't see any problems on this shoe. I'm assuming it's dead stock. So bigger sizes typically don't sell as well for Jordans, but I think we'll still find a buyer for these. I mean, it is a great colorway and it is dead stock, so no complaints there. Almost lost the box. We only got 1 shoe left, that's why, in here, so let's take a look. Ugh. Okay, this one is another size 14, so we know exactly why it was super heavy now. Jordan 4, see what we got. Okay, a pair of the alternates. So we got alternate Jordan 4s and dead stock too. I mean, it has the tag attached and everything else looks solid. This bottom is kind of weird to me though. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but there's like some whiteness. I'm assuming that they are dead stock, which would mean that we got 3 dead stock shoes, albeit, I mean, they're big sizes, so like I was saying earlier, they don't go for much, but they'll definitely sell because they are dead stock. So all Jordans and 1 Yeezy. What do you guys think about the box? I think it was a really, really dope box. 2 Jordan 11s, 3 dead stock shoes. It has to be over $1,175, right? I think I'm gonna get a lot more excited too and actually know the concrete value of this stuff. I don't know until the very end, until I'm like editing and stuff. So if I came up, yes. If I didn't, I can't imagine myself not coming up on that. So you know what? I'm just gonna assume that it is, and I'm gonna give it a big thumbs up, saying that we hit money on this. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below though. One guy in the comments, like in the last beater box video, actually gave it like a score out of 10, which is kind of a cool concept. So you guys should try to grade the boxes on your own. Let me know what you guys want to score it out of 10. Is it solid, a 10 out of 10? Is it a 9 out of 10? Was it complete trash, a 1 out of 10? I think that's a good idea to kind of gauge where you guys feel the boxes are in terms of profit, in terms of resale and stuff. So let me know what you guys think. Always love hearing your opinions. And don't forget to like the video, because if we get those 2,500 likes, 2,500 likes, we will do a giveaway. I'm not sure what we're gonna give away yet, but I will figure something out for you guys. But anyway, until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care guys. I'll see you. Aloha. Shoots!